Alright, in this video tutorial series we'll be looking at how to create a bandsaw box. I made some modifications and took some of the curves out of it to be a little bit easier on the drawers. So I have a couple different styles to show you here, all with kind of straight drawers that will make it a little bit easier for us to manipulate. Give me kind of a rotation around there to kind of see. This one I didn't make the actual drawers yet, but you can see kind of what the shapes of those drawers are going to be. This has 5 drawers in it. This first one had 3 drawers with a divider. This one has 3 drawers. I don't have the drawers created in that one either. And then this last one does have some slight curves to it, but the curves are large radius, so the bandsaw won't have that much problem. Also, the radius is on the outside, so we could use some relief cuts to help as we're cutting out that shape as well. The other difference about this last one is this one I stood my block up so that it would be tall and skinny, as opposed to the other ones that were kind of long and shorter. Okay, what we're going to do to get started, I'm going to click over. This is the screen you see when you log in or when you open up Inventor. We're going to do something different on this one. We're going to create a project so that all of our files kind of get saved back and are grouped together, connected with a project. So I'm going to click on Projects up here, and I'm going to click on New. So when I click on New, I want this to be a new single user project. Click Next. My project name is going to be Bandsaw Box Demo. You can just leave yours Bandsaw Box, and then we do want to tell it where we want it to go. So I'm going to go here. I don't know if yours is going to look the same way as mine, but I'm going to open up this PC, and I should be able to scroll down and see my Google file stream, my drive, and I should be able to find my design processes folder. And inside my design process folder, I want you to have a folder called bandsaw box. If you don't, click here that says make new folder, and you can type in bandsaw box right there. After you type in bandsaw box, click on it, and that'll be the folder that you save it in. I already have a folder called bandsaw box, so I'm going to click on that one. Alright, once I have bandsaw box clicked on, I'm going to click OK, and now you can see it says my drive, design processes, bandsaw box. Yours will be something similar going to your folder that you just created. And then I'm just going to click finish. Alright, over here you'll see the folder that you just created. I have one, that's one I just created, bandsaw box demo. You should see yours as well, and you'll see a check box or a check next to the bandsaw box demo project name.